Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are good. Students, as we are studying Unit 4 about money, today our page number is 130. Today we will learn the exercise 4, question number 1, fill in the blanks. The part A, dash 5 rupee coins make rupees 20. Students, if we have 4 5 rupee coins, they will make rupees 20. We will write here 4. Okay students, the next part B, 200 paise make dash rupees, as 100 paise equal to rupee 1. So 200 paise will make 2 rupees. We will write here 2 rupees. The next part C, rupees 64 minus rupees 30. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Rupees 64 minus rupees 30 will be equal to rupees 34. The next part D, 5 50 paisa coins make rupees dash. If we have 5 coins of 50 paisa, they will be equal to rupees 2.50. Okay students. The next part is E, rupees 23 and 45 paise is written as rupees 23.45. Students, as we put the point to separate the rupees and paise column, we will put the point between the 23 and 45. Question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. The part A, rupees 85 and rupees 15 make rupees 90 altogether. No. Rupees 85 plus 15 rupees 100. So this statement is not true. We will write here false. The next part B, rupees 150 and 55 paise can be written as rupees 150.55. We write the rupees 155 and 55 paise like this. So this statement is true. We will write here true. Okay students. The next part C, rupees 12.55 multiplied by 2 is equal to 251.0. Students, this statement is true or not? We will multiply the 2 by 12.55. Here we will multiply it. 2 5s are 10. We will put here 0 and the 1 will go as carry in the next column. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Here we will put 1 and the second one will go as carry in the next column. 2 2s are 4. 4 1 5. We will write here 5. 2 1s are 2. Okay students, now we will put the point by counting the two numbers from the right side to the left. 1 2. Here we will put the point. Okay students, the answer is 25.10. But here the answer is 251.0. So this statement is not true. We will write here false. The next part D, rupees 64.70 is equal to 6,470 paise. But the rupees into paise, we remove just the point. Look at here students, as there is no point, so this is true. We will write here true. The next part E, 2,690 paise is equal to rupees 26.90. As we are converting the paise into rupees, we will put the point here. This statement is also true. We will write here true. Next, question number 3. Choose the correct answer from the given options. Part A. Here is the note of rupees 20 and rupees 50 plus 5 is equal to, students, we will add this. 20 plus 50 is equal to 70. 70 plus 5 will be equal to 75. so we will choose this option. The next part B, rupees 319.05 can be written as rupees 319 and 50 paise, rupees 319 and 5 paise. Yes, this statement is true. We will choose this one. Next part C, how many 20 rupee notes make rupees 500? Students, if we have 25 notes of 20 rupees, they will be equal to 500. We will choose this option. The next part D, rupees 216.00 plus rupees 10.09 is equal to, students, we will add this. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, 1 is equal to 2, and this 2 will come as it is. Okay students, now we will put the point by counting the two numbers from the right side, 1, 2. Here we will put the point. The answer is 226.09. We will choose this option. The next part E, rupees 92.00 divided by 10 is, students will divide the 92.00 by 10. Okay students, we will divide here as 10 nines are 90. 92 minus 90 is equal to 2. Now this 0 will come here. 10 twos are 20. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. It is divided fully. And this 0 will jump here. Okay students, now we will put the point by counting the two numbers from the right side to the left. 1, 2, here we will put the point. The answer is 9.20. We will choose this option. Next page is 131. Question number 4, complete this table. Here we have to write in long form and here we will write in short form. As in long form we will write in rupees and paise, and in the short form we will write in points. Okay students, here is long form, rupees 95 and 45 paise. Now we will write this in short form, rupees 95.45. This is the short form. Now the short form is given and we have to write in the long form. As we write in long form rupees and paise, so we will write like this: rupees 86 and 75 paise. Okay students, and now the next short form is given here. We will write this in long form. As in long form we write the in rupees and paise, so I will write the rupees 108.20 in long form, rupees 108 and 20 paise. Okay students, this is the long form. The next one is rupees 114.05. We will write in the long form. I will write in the rupees and paise column. Rupees 114. The next is rupees 114.05. This is the short form and we will write in long form. As in the long form we will write in rupees and paise, so I will write like this: rupees 114 and 5 paise. Okay students, the next one is rupees 216 and 95 paise, and we have to write in the short form. As in short form we write in point, so I will write like this: rupees 216. We will put the point here, 0.95. Okay students, the short form is rupees 216.95 is rupees 1002 and 5 paise. This is the long form, and we have to write in the short form here. We will write in short form like this: rupees 1002.05. Okay students, in short form rupees 312.60, and here we have to write in long form. We will write like this: rupees 312 and 60 paise. The next is rupees 3019 and 15 paise. We will write in the short form like this: rupees 3019.15. Okay students, as in the short form we just put the point and separates the rupees and paise column. The next one is given in the short form, rupees 590.85, and we have to write in the long form. We will write in the long form like this: rupees 590 and as we have 85 here, so we will write 85 paise. This is the long form. Next one is rupees 861 and 80 paise. We will write in short form like this: rupees 861. We will put the point and 80. Okay students, this is the short form. The next is in the long form, rupees 1010 paise. We will write here in short form like this: rupees 1000 point. We will put the point and 10. The short form is rupees 1000.10. The next one is in short form, rupees 1096.25, and we have to write in the long form. We will write like this: rupees 1096 and 25 paise. Okay students, the next one is rupees 982 and 35 paise. This is the long form, and we have to write in short form. We will write like this: rupees 982.35. Okay students, this is the short form. The next one is long form, rupees 488 and 0 paise. We will write in the short form rupees 488.00. The next one is in short form, rupees 412.05. We will write in the long form like this: rupees 412 and 5 paise. This is the long form. The next one is in short form, rupees 643.00. As we have to write in the long form, we will write like this: rupees 643 and 0 पैसे. Okay students, the next one is in long form rupees 630 and 5 paise. We have to write in the short form. We will write like this: rupees 630.5. Okay students, the next and last one is in short form. As we have to write in the long form, we will write like this: rupees 29 and 0 paise. Okay students, Allah Hafiz students.